What is an OTA? Online travel agents, also known as OTAs, are third-party booking websites which offer visitors an easy-to-use one-stop shop for comparing their options and booking a trip. These sites are very popular and often rank highly on search engines. Why should you use them? OTAs offer you a way to reach new visitors, particularly valuable international customers who generally book accommodation for longer and at a higher price. They're also a good way to reach younger customers. 52% of millennials are thought to prefer using OTA websites. Not just for accommodation, these sites are now also a key tool for visitors looking for things to do as well. So it's important attractions, activities and tours businesses have a profile on the right OTA website. They also allow you to easily display prices and information in the currency and language of the visitor, and you only pay commission on confirmed bookings. They can also drive more traffic to your website directly, as many visitors will search for your website themselves after seeing it on the OTA website. Top tip: OTAs are an essential tool for reaching new consumers, but they shouldn't be your only one. Use different channels for balance and adjust once you know what works for you and what doesn't. How to pick an OTA. Different sites are more popular in different markets or countries. Some have higher spending customers, while others have fewer cancellations. Based on this information, think about which OTAs will work best for you. Look up which sites have the biggest market share. They will have more users, giving your business more exposure. Check how each site displays businesses and brands. Is it right for you? Find out what commission rates they charge. This is usually between 15% and 30%. Read their policies on visitors who cancel, ask for a refund, or don't turn up. 8 tips for setting yourself up on an OTA website. 1. Create a listing with relevant information and high-quality imagery. 2. Update your listing regularly. 3. Respond to any reviews within a reasonable time. 4. Update your availability as much as possible, bearing in mind those who will want to book late, and if you can, have a short cut-off period for taking bookings. 5. Update your prices regularly and amend them in line with demand, particularly if you're an accommodation provider. 6. Take advantage of the options offered by OTAs, whether it's data dashboards or one-on-one support. Access any data the OTA listing gives you, either on your own listing or on your competitors. What price are you paying in commission versus how many bookings you're receiving? 7. Check the listings of similar businesses for tips on how your competitors are performing and what their pricing is. 8. Consider which booking engine you use for your own website. Some offer channel management to maximize your distribution and maintain live availability, which will update automatically on some OTA websites. To find out more, visit digitaltourismscotland.com.